So I'm just stood in the middle like, yay, like on my own. Yeah.
Youngest Welsh player, oldest European player.
It was your Bunyan that got that goal in, just saying.
It is an honour to represent them on that field.
I'm better today because I've had a good amount of sleep. Like yesterday I was like, I was just trying to survive and get through the day, to be honest. But yeah, a lot of recovery today and then get back on the pitch. And so yeah, I'm all right today.
Must be nice.
Yeah.
I'm feeling still a little tired. Match day +2 is always a tough day for me and my body. Mentally, I feel better.
Yeah.
Physically, still perhaps need another like 12 hours and then I'll be ready to go.
Yeah, my watch says I need 45 days off, but in 2 days I will be fixed. I'll be raring to go. We've had, obviously Sophie Ingle did the first game, and then Has just messaged me and said like, do you want to kind of do a talk for the team? And I enjoy it, and I think, I got a great reaction from the team. So
Kayleigh's passion and fire and work that she does on and off the field is phenomenal, and you know, her messaging is so important to all of us because everybody pays a lot of attention to Kayleigh. What she says goes a long way, and so, you know, perfect person to lead us into battle.
yeah, well, thank you, Jess. That's sweet of you. Yeah. Cry now.
When you're in the game, you don't think, you know, about what the moments are or anything like that. You just kind of focus on your job and what you should be doing and where you should be standing. I think the best thing for me, I actually think about the goal was the play and the moments before it was a part of the game where we were really asserting ourselves and kind of gaining momentum. The goal comes from the entire team, and then it's a great kind of finish of not just that specific moment, but 3-4 minutes, 5 minutes prior to that where we were gaining control. And obviously the goal is great play, switched the ball, did stuff that we'd been working on in training.
Sorry to overtalk, by the way, it was your Bunyan.
Yeah.
It was your Bunyan that got that goal in, just saying.
I told you, my Bunyan's my friend.
Yeah,
My Bunyan's my friend.
So the credit actually goes to the Bunyan, not Jess. So if we can put that out there, Jess is Bunyan.
And then Jess, you are also technically the youngest and the oldest.
Youngest. Go with that one.
Yeah.
Youngest Welsh player, oldest European player. Like my dad says, I can't hide away from the facts, right? Like, you know, it's history now, and that's fun. And you know, like I said, I can't hide away from how old I am, and I don't want to. I've lived a great life, and so I will take that history until it gets broken by somebody else. Although I'm unsure how I can keep playing.
Yeah.
Much older than 38.
I thought you were going to come out with like an award or something and say, here you are, you're the oldest player. I thought you were going to bring out an award for her. I was thinking, please.
That's what it is.
That's what we need to do. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. That's what we need to do.
Congratulations.
That's exactly what we need to do.
Throughout all of the celebrations, this poor soul stays on the field in the French half to ensure that they can't take a quick kickoff because Saf wouldn't have been in goal because we were going crazy on the side. And if that doesn't epitomize who you are, because she was like, she's in none of the celebrations. You wouldn't even think she was there because she's literally standing on the other side of the field in the French half to staying focused and making sure that our goal doesn't equate to 2-1 very, very quickly.
Yeah, I think I went into coach mode. I think I seen everyone run over and I looked and we're in our own half, and then Saf leaves a goal and I'm like, oh my God, like what is happening right now? So I'm just stood in the middle like, yay, like on my own. But listen, you've got to do your bit for the team and so that everyone else can enjoy the moment. So yeah, I'll take that for the team.
So if anyone out there can just Photoshop Kayleigh like jumping into the huddle, that is your task.
I was absolutely devastated because they were talking about your goal and, you know, the celebrations in the meeting, and they didn't even show me stood in the middle on my own. I thought, are you kidding me? This is my moment.
This is my sacrifice.
Yeah, this is my moment, like, but they didn't do it. So our performances have got like so much better from the first game. So like, I think everyone's, you know, really excited with this one, obviously because it's England and, you know, yeah. So I know I definitely am. My wife's English, but she is a Welsh supporter for that game.
Yeah, I think we're growing into this tournament now. We're understanding a little bit more what it's about. And so
Yeah, sure.
I think on Sunday you will see the very best of us. And I'm really excited for that. And I'm excited that the game is important. You know, within the group, the setup, the game matters, and it's so fun to go into your last group game with everything still on the line. So I can't wait.
Stefan Rodri, how are you doing? All the very best to Wales's women on Sunday. We're behind you. Wal Goch are behind you. Come on, let's get it done.
Come on, merched, you can do it.
Pob luck, good luck. Wal Goch, so proud of you. Go and smash it.
Hi Team Wales, it's Emma Finucane here. I've loved watching you so far at the Euros. You guys have been smashing it. This game coming up against the Lionesses, just smash it. Keep doing what you're doing. You've made the whole nation proud.
This is Sian Coffey here, hoping you'll hit the high notes on Sunday against England. Get some headers in. Come on, Cymru! We love you, you're amazing, and you're all my heroes.
Come on, Cymru, on Sunday. Come on!
Just want to wish you all the very best. You're doing us proud.
All the best for Sunday. We are all behind you, and we are all very proud of you. Pub luck.
Just wanted to wish Cymru the best of luck in the big game against England. Come on, Cymru!
Hi Jess, I hope you're keeping well. Just want to say you're doing a fantastic job out in the Euros. I know results haven't gone your way, but you're doing a whole nation proud, and congratulations for making history once again.
On a personal note, I just wanted to thank you for bringing such joy to me, obviously as a former player and somebody involved in the governance side now, but also to my two girls who've been at every game. I know a lot of you've seen them shouting at you probably and coming down to wave to you during the warm-ups, but honestly, you've given them such incredible confidence and faith in the future of women's football. And for me, you've given me just a kind of something that I always hoped would happen, but we were never sure, were we? So let's go to the next stage now. No pressure on us, and that's when we're at our best, yeah? So, poor bloke, do the business on Sunday, and we'll be cheering you on.
Bless her, lovely, innit?
I know.
It's hard to sum it up because it's just been so incredible. Yeah. Like, from the first game right through to the second game, and even when we're down a goal, like the anthem singing, everything, it's just been so incredible. And there's been so much feedback from people about our fans, how incredible they are, the noise that they make. And personally from me and for the team, like, we just want to say a huge thank you so much for coming out and supporting and being there every single game and cheering us on. Like, we hear you all the time. So from the bottom of my heart, I just want to personally say thank you so much.
What is so special is this whole experience has really shown who we are as a nation. Our fans have embodied every single kind of character that is a Welsh person, and I think, you know, they are so loud, they are so proud, they give us so much energy, they don't stop cheering for us, they know that we need them, and they are doing their role, you know, like we go on the field and we do our roles, and they are absolutely doing theirs. It is an honour to represent them on that field.
Look, we qualified for a major tournament, and, you know, it was small wins, but the biggest win is having participation rates back home and getting young girls into football. That's what we're doing it for. We've done our part by qualifying for a major campaign, but it's about the next step. It's about back home, and it's about inspiring and being role models for that generation.
I think someone actually messaged me the other day, just, you know, it's a random person, and was like, You know, my 7-year-old boy just asked for a Fishlock jersey. And he said, you know, that is what you guys have done. It's not just girls, it's not just, you know, a tick the box. We really are changing and shaping the landscape of our entire country. And my hope is that as a nation, we truly understand that and continue to take positive steps forward on and off the field for this game, because, you know, you look around, you know, it's the best game in the world. I think for us, it's funny, right? Because we obviously have a little group, and every now and again, you know, one of us will pop in our little, you know, 7 wise women. It'll just be, can you believe that we're here? We're such good friends that, and such professionals that we can just be like, right, don't forget your job. Don't forget you got to do this. Like, don't forget, like, Kay, make sure you shower outside. Like, we'll talk to each other all the time about, you know, what our jobs are as professionals. But every now and again, we'll send a little message in the group and just be like, don't forget what you've done.
Yeah, we do love each other, don't we?
We do, yeah.
We do.
Even a Sophie moment, right?
Yeah.
Like, I mean, what were we like? Just almost in tears, right, at Soph. And, you know, we feel, you know, when you're so close to people, you feel the emotion for them, you know, the empathy, the understanding.
Everybody on that bench was on their feet, and the respect that we have her and what she's done in such a short space of time, like, yeah, we have so much love for her and what she's done.
I remember on the back of the coach, I was like, right, Soph. I was like, because I'm like an emotion person. I love like speaking about people's emotions. I was like, tell me everything. I want to know exactly how you felt. Like, let's talk about it, right? Because I really wanted. And she was like, oh, it just felt like a game. And I was like, that is not the response that I was asking, but okay, because that's Sophie, right? Like, she's such an elite professional. Yeah, I'm sure afterwards we'll be like, all right, tell us really how it felt.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, that's just who we are to each other, right?
Yeah. Cwtsh. This is a Cwtsh. But this is the thing what I always say, right? Because obviously my wife is English, right? So she used to say, give me a hug or whatever. And I'm like, no, Cwtsh. And it's weird because no one understands, you know a Cwtsh is a Cwtsh, but it's the way your arms are wrapped around. Yeah. It's like a hug in a mug, isn't it?
It's a hug in a mug, but it's also, a Cwtsh is a deeper, sensual feeling.
I know where she go with this.
But it's the 2-3 second hold of that basically says, you're safe, don't worry about anything, I've got you. And all that gets said in a Cwtsh.
Yeah, it's like deep love, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like, here's deep love. Like, it's not just like, good morning. It's like, yeah, this is strong, this is deep, and I'm giving you my love, and you're safe and you're okay. Like, that's a Cwtsh.
That's a Cwtsh.